How come this shelf is empty? For a long time now, I have been getting a lot of comments and concerns about this middle shelf here. Most of them are like, you need to add more support or you need to change out the board because it is bowed a little bit. And of course it's a concern because, don't want to lose everything that you've worked hard for by it breaking and then all of those jars break. So I get it. So we finally decided to replace this shelf. My mister just went to a hardware store and got one of those big wooden boards. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of it or how much it cost. And he brought it back home and then he sized it and sawed it down to the exact measurement that we would need. I am showing you this video in real time so you can see that this is a very quick process. It did not take long. It probably took longer to go and pick out the board and then saw it down than it was to actually put in place. So as you can see, this did not take long at all. So in under 5 minutes, I was able to do some pantry maintenance and ensure that what we worked hard for is going to be safe and sound for the future. Thank you for sticking with me and watching this video today. I have been on a little upload drought, but I assure you I have been doing videos. I just need to edit them and get them uploaded. So there will be more to come, and thank you.